So tomorrow is my husband's birthday, and he's spoiled. So I thought I'd do some sandwiches for him today and barbecue for him tomorrow. So I thought, why not make some grinder sandwiches, which is one of his favorite, what he calls nigga meals. So everything turkey, of course. Fry some turkey bacon, and our daughter here is cutting up the Hawaiian rolls. I took my time and made this video. Got some pickles here, and these are more sweeter. They remind me of like a relish. Got some peppers in there too, more sweeter than hot. It's a little spice to them, but not much to tickle my tongue. So just cut up some onions with the pickles and the turkey bacon, because that's gonna go what I call slaw, like a slaw for the sandwich. That I think makes the whole sandwich, if you ask me. Taking my time and cutting it up. Next, I put
I
all
missed
of these
something. Can you say it
ingredients.
again?
Alexa, I am not talking to you. I'm making a video.
Thanks for letting me know.
Stupid machine. Anyway, I put all those in there together, the bacon, the onions, and the pickles. And now I'm mixing up some mayo, and I added my seasoning. Mayo, got some mustard, and I don't measure. I use my heart. Got the pickle juice in there. I use some olive oil, extra virgin and organic, of course. I got some ranch seasoning. That's going to tie together real good. A bit of crushed red pepper, just a little bit. Some paprika here, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix it all well together. Mix, 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 stir, stir, stir. Dag, I'm really mixing. Okay, I think we good, Marie. Goodness. It's me mixing those three ingredients, and then preparing to spread out the bread. And I had used 2 packs of 1 pound turkey lunch meat. I used Kobe Jack cheese and pepper jack cheese. And then I'm about to mix the slaw together. I had to add a little bit more olive oil. And then I forgot that I didn't have any red wine vinegar, so I took some vintage red wine. It's cooking wine, and then I just mixed it with some vinegar. That's just me being ghetto. And I ended up using all of that because I like a little slight vinegar taste on my sandwiches. So y'all didn't see it, but I went back in and I poured the rest of it on there. And it gave it a nice slight taste. All these flavors that were mixed together. You know, this is really how you keep your man happy. If you're going to make a sandwich, baby, make a sandwich. Make a man sandwich. So anything I do, it's going to be to the best of my ability. Look at that. You could just eat that by itself. You got your meat in there and your veggies and everything else. And here I used 2 pieces of lunch meat on each slider to make sure that the sandwich was nice and hefty and thick, you know. Men like weight to their sandwiches. And after the fact, my husband was only able to eat 6, and I was only able to eat 3. And I had to force that third one down, you know. I I bit off of it. I had to go ahead and finish it. And then I added 2 different cheeses, as I said. The Colby Jack it was, and this is Pepper Jack. Just for a little bit of spice. I like a little in my food. And this is my daughter putting the cheese on there. Look at that. They look absolutely amazing. And this is the best part. I loaded them up with this slaw. Load them up. Don't be shy. Don't be stingy. Make sure each slider get just the perfect amount of slaw. Yes, baby. Look at that. Delicious. Look at it. And this is basically the finished product. And we're just topping them off. I see one there. My OCD is like, no, no, no. But I called it like off the video. Amazing. Grinder sandwiches, y'all. Mm-hmm. Took me a nice bite. Yep. Look at him. Look at my husband.